Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'd like to present you a smart Wi-Fi outdoor plug from Ledvance, a device that costs around 20 euros, and I bought it because I want to control some outdoor lights via Wi-Fi from wherever I am. Okay, so this is the device that I found online. This is how the box looks like. Here we have some technical specifications, size and other information. As you can see, it supports maximum 16 amps and maximum 3680 watts. Okay. Here it shows you that you need to connect it via Smart Plus application. So you need to download the application by scanning this code from the App Store. Here we have another picture with the product, and it's made in China, of course. It's rated IP44, meaning that you can splash it with water, but you cannot place it underwater. Okay, let's jump inside the box. This is what you have inside the box. Let's take everything out. This is the product, but I'll come back to it later. Let's see. And here we have quick installation guide. And how to install it. Okay. And another quick manual, or this is the warranty card, I don't know what it is. Installation guide. Okay, so this is all you get in the box. Let's have a look at the product. The product is made of, here is plastic, here it's rubber. It has this rubber cap. Yeah, rubber. This part is also made of rubber. Here we have a button. And this is it. It's very simple. Here we have some information. So all we need to do is to put this in a wall socket. Okay, download the application, add the device. Of course, you need to create the account first, add the device, and then we can control the device from the application. Let's have a look at the application. So I have a socket here. It's on. Let's plug in the smart plug. And here usually we have an LED. From this button you can power it on and off manually when it is connected. But first you see that now it is blinking green because it entered into the setup mode. So what you need to do is to download the application, create an account, and I will show you. Let's leave it like this, and I will show you how to proceed further. So this is the application. It's called Ledvance Smart Plus. I downloaded it. I already have an account for it, so I'm just opening the application now. And what you need to do when you are into the main screen, just press on the home button, and here from the home button press on the plus. Add a device and you can automatically search for the device. Let's do that. And as you can see already, the smart plug, it's discovered. You need to press add, accept, and you need to make sure that you are connected to the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network with your phone. So if you are not connected with your phone to the 2.4 gigahertz network, make sure that you do that. Otherwise it won't work, and you can see you have even a disclaimer here. So what I need to do now is to enter a password for my Wi-Fi network. Okay, I pressed the save my Wi-Fi password to remember the password, and now you just click confirm. And now it takes a while to add the device. Okay, the device is successfully added. And now I think we need to go home. Yes, and this is the device. From what you can see, the LED is off right now, and here you have the toggle off, meaning that the plug is off right now. Let's press on it. And if we press on it, basically we have the main control screen. This is from where you turn it on and off manually. As you can see, I just press it and it is on. Let's turn it off. It's off. So this is the manual scenario, but you can also do several stuff like time schedule. You can name it. And basically here I think you can create different scenarios, when to start, when to shut down the device, and so on. Let's go back. Timer. Here basically you can set a timer when the device to shut off. So let's say after 2 hours. As you can see, after 2 hours the socket will be switched off. Let's go back. I don't want the timer. Cancel. Here we have some fixed life cycle. So basically if you have fixed intervals every day or selected days when to start and when to end, you can do this from here. What else? Random time cycle. Again, you can play with different timing scenarios for the socket to be switched on and off. This is very interesting. Power on behavior. So basically if you have a power cut, what happens with the device when the power will be restored? You can switch it off, switch it on, and remember the last status, I want it to be permanently on. Child lock. So here basically if you select it, this button will be deactivated. You cannot control the socket from this button. I don't want to do that. Automatic switch off. So basically this is an option that allows you to automatically switch off the socket every time it has power, after how many minutes and how many seconds. And this tells you what it does. And here history of the states. And this is it. It's very simple. Now let's plug a device in and let's see if it's working. I have a lamp here. Okay, it's on. As you can see, the bulb is on. Let's turn it off. It's off. Now it's on. So it's working very fast. The response is almost instant. I like it. And this is it. This is what you can do with this smart plug. Again, it's an outdoor smart plug. You can place it outdoor. You can splash it with water. So basically if it rains, it's okay, but you cannot place it underwater. Okay guys, this was my short review. If you like it, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.